Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a PS5 to your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, power your PS5 by plugging in the power cable to the power source of your PS5. The port for this cable is located at the very bottom of the back side of your PS5. So plug in one side of the cable into your console and the other one into the power outlets. Then locate the HDMI port on the back side of your console and grab the two-sided HDMI cable and plug one side in your console, and now the other side goes into your Samsung One Connect box. Let me show it to you. So here on the back side of this box you will find two HDMI ports. They are numerated. If you look right here below the ports, you'll see that this one is the first one, this one is the second one. So just plug in the other side of the cable into one of these ports, and then using your remote control, navigate to the sidebar on your TV, scroll down to the Connected Devices menu, and in Connected Devices, let's select the HDMI one, and now just wait for your PS to turn on. And once it turns on, in order to start gaming, you're gonna have to press the PS button on your controller, which is located right here. You'll be notified when to do so. And so that's basically how you do it. Let me return to the home screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.